Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerhouse motherboards. In the left corner, we have the MSI Pro B760M-P DDR4 Pro Series, and in the right corner, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Get ready for some serious motherboard madness. Let's kick things off with the price, shall we? The MSI Pro B760M-P comes in at a budget-friendly $119. It's like finding a hidden treasure in your pocket. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 demands a bit more attention with a price tag of $359. Ouch, that's a hefty chunk of change right there. Now let's talk processor support. The MSI Pro B760M-P has got your back with its compatibility with 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors for the LGA 1700 socket. Talk about versatility. Meanwhile, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is also ready to party with Intel socket LGA 1700 for Intel Core 13th Gen processors, Intel Core 12th Gen, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors. It's a battle of the processors. Moving on to memory, both motherboards support DDR4 memory. The MSI Pro B760M-P offers dual-channel DDR4 4800 plus MHz OC. That's some serious speed, but wait, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 isn't far behind with its optimized memory support. It's all about that smooth performance, baby. Now let's talk power and thermals. The MSI Pro B760M-P brings the heat with its Core Boost technology, providing better performance and supporting more cores. It's like giving your motherboard a turbo boost. On the other side, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 boasts a robust power solution rated for 70A per stage with integrated heat sinks and high conductivity thermal pads. It's like having a mini fridge for your motherboard. Last but not least, let's dive into storage and connectivity. The MSI Pro B760M-P features Lightning Gen 4x4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer. It's lightning fast, just like the Flash. Meanwhile, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 takes it up a notch with one PCIe 4.0 M.2 slot with a heatsink and backplate, and four PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots with heatsinks. It's like having a storage buffet. Both the MSI Pro B760M-P and the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 received positive reviews overall. Reviewers praised the MSI Pro B760M-P for its budget-friendly price, versatile processor support, fast memory, powerful power and thermals, and lightning-fast storage. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 was commended for its high-end price, compatible processor support, optimized memory, efficient power and thermals, and versatile storage options. Phew, that was one intense motherboard battle. Both the MSI Pro B760M-P and the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 brought their A-game. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to your needs and budget. If you're looking for a wallet-friendly option without compromising performance, the MSI Pro B760M-P is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and experience the ultimate gaming power, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is the motherboard of your dreams. Remember, it's all about making smart choices, and we're here to help you do just that. Stay tuned for more epic comparisons on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss out on our latest videos. Until next time, happy shopping, smarties.